హలో మేడం వినిపిస్తుందా? హలో 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 హలో
Yes, Naresh.
ఓకే మేడం.
Enable co-host for me.
వన్ సెకండ్.
And Rajeshwari, you didn't add your session title and date to the first sheet teamwork.
Yes, ma'am. I'll add it, ma'am.
Add it. So I'm not saying take a challenging one. So I expect you similar way we did when Anil was there, no? So in any functionality, whatever you prefer.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So every Tuesday and Friday. So if you book your slot on the first sheet.
Okay.
Okay. It can be as simple as creating a forum, enabling peer rating to a forum, or star rating to a forum, or how to reply as a dummy student, how to subscribe to a forum. Anything. It can be, but the reason I asked you to work on H5P is because you already started working on this, and you can learn about other content, library types. So that was my intention. So it's up to you, but add your presentation date and time.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Bhishma is already reserved for this Friday, that is 15th on micro credential. So next Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
So you add that today itself. I want to know. I
Okay.
want to see at least 4, means every week 2 sessions. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, Naresh. You copy that on the sheet, Naresh. Copy it on the sheet, Google Sheet. Sometimes we may not get this history. Okay. On your sheet, Naresh. Okay, here. Okay. Add here. It's okay. Add it here. Scroll down and add it here. Later you can shift this to your sheet. Yeah, paste it there. Okay. I'm stopping my video now, and you're also expected to work on the FAQs. If you find any gaps, faculty FAQs are not available on the Moodle functionality or module that you are presenting, please update an FAQ if you find gaps. If you don't find any FAQ, please create a new FAQ. It's mandatory for all of you. In addition to that, Moodle documents. Naresh, you didn't add the Moodle documentation page URLs to your sheet. Okay.
Okay, madam.
You can add tomorrow. And also the reason I have created one column Moodle forums so that you can also learn from others' experience. That is my intention. Moodle forum to relevant to your presentation module or functionality, and Moodle documentation and any YouTube or URLs, and one FAQ or 1 or 2 FAQs on the same. I think I have already created FAQs. Do we have an FAQ on this, Naresh? Can you go to the FAQs?
1 second.
Faculty FAQ. And no, not old one, not old. I'm interested in the new one only. The reason we added. Yeah, creating and awarding badges. Now you are going to present on tracking student engagement. I mean, enabling their activity condition, then only you'll be able to submit this. I mean,
Yes,
award the badges. Okay. So later you can review all these, Naresh. If you find any gaps, you add there. Okay. Okay. Now we can start with always log in as a dummy teacher and present your session. Because the reason is, if you want to create an FAQ also, always log in as a dummy teacher. That's what we did even when Anil was there. So log out of your admin account and log in as a dummy teacher and share your expertise on this area. Okay. And you're also expected to create a PPT on the same because if any faculty members from any campuses, if they want training from you, not from me, then you can reuse the same. The advantage of taking screenshots of this workflow is you can create an FAQ of your own. You can create your PPT slides. This is again e-learning.
Yes. I demonstrate how to create award badges. Then go faculty, then go to create one course.
Already created one. Good, good.
Yes. Badges creation course name.
Can you push the blocks on the both sides? Yeah, push them aside. Okay.
Course name is the badge creation. Here is the badge creation. Then this course will be students is there. 2 students is there. Student 99,
okay.
student 100.
Okay. Okay.
Student 99 is the teacher 99 is the teacher. Then I assign the one assignment first. Describe the model into Moodle.
You've taken Moodle. Okay.
Yes, just already one student submitted, another student is pending. Another 2 assignments is given. Choose the following also other assignment, but no one will be not attempting.
Show us how did you enable activity completion criteria so that they can also learn.
Yes.
How can you automate the badge awarding process? If
First
you have any doubts, please stop for Naresh, Bhishma and Rajeshwari. Okay, don't
first
hesitate.
Create the course. Next, given the assignments. Next, check the students is there or not. First of all, check. Then given the assignments. 1 or 2, 3 are there.
Naresh, can I add one point here?
Yes, madam.
Not only assignments and activities, Naresh. Even if a faculty members have created some new tutorials or self-recorded videos, for that also you can enable activity.
Any activities?
Yeah, any activity or resource. Okay.
Yes,
activity or resource. Okay.
There is the 2 types of badges. One is the course completion as well as activity completion is also there. Yes.
You have already created badges.
Yes, madam. Here is I created the 2 badges.
But
then
how can they learn how to create a badge, Naresh?
No, I can
not for you. This is training your team members. This session is made for.
Okay, madam. No problem. This is the student account. This is the I am logging already student 99. Here is the one assignment is completed. Check the badges is already the student received.
Okay, so now we want to see the workflow once again. Starting with how did you create a badge, or if you have reused already created badges on our quick course. Okay.
Yes.
First, show them how did you create a badge.
Okay.
Okay. For that we create
turn editing on.
No, that badge image, Naresh. So take them through starting with. So in order to create a badge on the course page, we need to create a badge somewhere, no? Show them.
Yes.
Okay. Are you following Bhishma and Rajeshwari?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any query, please stop us. Okay. I'll share a link in the chat, Naresh. We'll work from there. Okay. So you click on that. We'll use that platform for creating a badge. This is how it's there in the chat. You can add this. One of you add this to the Excel sheet badge.design under the resources of this session. No. You cannot. You need to name it. Name it. So we have, let me take the annotation to this, Naresh. Okay.
Okay, madam.
You can choose any background shape. This is one. Okay. After choosing this, if you want to change this color, here you have the color dropper. Okay. Change the color, Naresh. Show them how to change the color. Yeah. Click on that. And if I want any blue color, dark blue, navy blue or something, this is.
Here is can design the badge.
And here you also have 3 colors. See, change all the colors and show us. Oh, yeah. Okay, you want to retain 2 colors. Okay.
Yes, madam.
So this is the first shape.
Badge.
Okay. And next, you need to click on the text. So you need to add the text onto the badge area. So click on add. Okay. So you need to remove the text and add your text. Add your text. So this is a badge. Name is good performer. What do you want to name it? Or
Successfully completed assignment.
for each assignment, generally we don't award a badge. So
First achievement.
Bhishma, you are working on a competency, right? Bhishma, are you there? You're not audible, Bhishma. Where is
Yes, ma'am.
Bhishma?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
First
Bhishma,
achievement.
Yeah, you are working on a competency. So for
Yes,
the
yes.
competency, you are mapping a group of activities, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So for each competency, you can create a batch. Okay.
Okay, like
This-
level 1 completed, level 2
So
completed.
anything.
Okay.
So anything you can name a batch. Okay.
Okay.
So those who are interested in creating badges, this is for awarding badges. And the second method in a blended learning mode or online learning mode. The second one, our interest, that is IBS interest, is for micro credentials, we need to design badges.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Generally, we don't use level 1, the competency name of the competency. So what is the competency name you have first competency?
Assignment.
Say for example, teamwork or good team player, something.
Okay.
So these all are the 21st century skills required for the students. Level 1 are good team player. Okay, good. So next, if you want to add an image next to T, you can click on that. If you, click on that, Naresh.
Yes,
Image.
madam. Already clicking.
Yeah, you can upload an image. Say for example, if you have an IBS, do you have an IBS logo, Naresh?
This is another system, no, madam. I think don't have this.
Download IBS logo from the browser. Okay. Do we have here? No, go to a browser and you have one. Okay. See, if you can also award badges for soft skills, we also have one image. So that is also can be used. Okay. Bring it to the center once it is uploaded. Okay, so that the text should be, I think you can change the size from, and yes, so that will be visible. Can we click on that team layer, Naresh? Can we make it bold? Do we have that option? No, that is italics is there, normal and underline is there. Okay. So you can also pick a color, Naresh. Good team player that is not visible. You have that color, color dropper.
Size option.
Size option is there, Rajeshri. I wanted to bold it.
Font size.
Font size you can increase, and also you can pick another color, Naresh.
Okay.
Click on that color dropper, Naresh. Next to Arial, left to Arial, you have that color dropper. Yeah. Oh, select. I don't think it's changed. No.
Yes, madam. This is
Changed. Make it somewhat dark. color or pick dark black. Okay. Now it's okay. Okay. So we are done with the image and click on the icons, Naresh. Yeah. You can also, if you want to, these all are optional. If you want to add this, yeah, you want to use this. Where do you want to add this? Okay. Okay. I'm going. So you can also darken that color, change the color. I think it is not center, Naresh. Okay. You just, no, only that icon. Click on the icon. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to add any ribbon, for some it may be
Ribbons is there.
click on that ribbons. Okay, this is how you can create a batch. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any queries on this, Rajeshwari, Bhishma?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now you can download the batch
PNG.
PNG. It may ask you to give your email ID. Okay, rename it, Naresh. Team player batch or something. You can cross that Zoom. Rename it so that you can reuse it if you want to train anyone. Team player badge. Okay, so we are ready with a badge. Now, as Naresh said, okay, Naresh, now you can explain us. What are the next steps? Hare, Naresh,
Madam,
explain us. What are you doing? You are training your team members, Naresh. You are on a course page. Go to a course page.
go to a
First
course
badge
page, click on the badges. I'm
in the
taking the
navigation
new.
draw. Okay.
Madam, ఇవన్నీ తెలుసు కదా madam. Click on the badges. Then go to here is the manage badges. In case already your badges is there, then select on the manage badges. I have no badge. Create the add a new badge. Click on this one. Given the name player. Also no need for that. English. Okay. Description is there. I am given the same.
No. I don't know. You need to add a description, because if students upload this to LinkedIn and badge pack or badger and all and share on the LinkedIn profile with their profile, then
Description.
if the recruiters want to know, so that is the reason we are promoting badges. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So the team player badge is awarded to, write 2-line description. Badge is awarded to the students. Awarded to the students. Write remove S, Naresh. We write only student who is a good team player. Who is a good, add after is Naresh. Who is a good team player and provide
support to others.
Provide support to his or her peers or something. Support others. That's it. And provides DES, Naresh. Provides
Support to others.
Okay, something to a 2-liner description is required whenever a student uploads this to the badger backpack, and from there a student can share on his or her LinkedIn profile. Okay, now yeah.
Then click on the choose file. I have upload file. Choose file. Team player badge. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Can you no. Wait, Naresh.
Your badge expire is the never.
No,
I'm
no,
not-
we don't give here. If you want to give credit to any other external badge, if you are using here, you can provide all those. Okay.
You can the author name,
Uh,
author's email ID,
At
author's
least URL, all you provide all this. So we call it as maintaining academic integrity. Okay, done. So and it's our teamwork, not required. If you are taking anything from others, so for this though we don't require any name. You can remove that, Naresh.
Okay.
So these all are the fields we don't want. But whenever you train our faculty members, if they take batch images from elsewhere, so then you can train them on how to add all this. Okay. Okay.
Image caption.
Okay.
I'm not given the batch expiry is the never. In case
Okay.
expiry is given, can change the dates.
Generally, we don't do that.
Never.
Okay.
So create batch.
Any questions on this? Naresh, ask them if they have any.
Bhishma and Rajeshwar, any questions? How to create a batch?
I mean, for a single, for if you take a certification course, then there are 6 levels. Can we take 6 badges?
Yeah,
Yes, you can create the 6 batches.
You can create 6 badges with a meaningful name, not level 1 kind of thing. With a meaningful.
First of all, create the ready for 6 badges, can upload it. Each and every activity is in the particular batch.
Okay.
That's it. Here is the batch. I am not adding any criteria.
No, you need to add the criteria.
Yes,
Otherwise, how can
add the criteria?
No. In order to add the criteria, first what you need to do is go to the course page, badges creation, and show us from the activities edit settings.
Yes.
How did you enable activity completion criteria? This is mandatory in order to automate the badge award process. Okay.
Already I am creating the one quiz.
So after creating any activity, you can enable anytime.
Rajeshwar, Bhishma, both of you know how to create the activities and assignment.
Yes.
So edit setting, expand all, then go to here. There is there students can manually mark the activity as completed.
I have a question here.
Yes,
to 3 of you, not to only Naresh. If sometimes I don't find this activity, you have your own site, no? Bhishma and Rajeshwari and Nomio, both of you have your own site, right?
Yes.
Okay. So sometimes you may not find this activity completion criteria block on the course edit settings page. Why? What could be the reason?
Because we have not given any course or uploaded any course there, right?
No. You have already created a course.
Okay.
While creating the assignment, you don't find this activity completion block at all on your course page. What could be the reason? Sometimes it happens. On QuickForce, you may not find this because I have already configured this at the site level. What could be the reason? Question to Rajesh. 3 of you.
Restrict access have been provided.
No. Restrict access is already there. If activity completion is not visible, then what will you do?
Plugin, activity completion plugin. We need to install.
Completion plugin. No, it's a core feature.
Okay.
Course create చేసినప్పుడు activity completion అనేది enable చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది.
Show them that, Naresh. అందుకనే అడిగాను. Scroll up and right click on your course title and open in a new tab. Right click on.
This is course.
Then where is the course edit settings? If you don't find activity completion criteria on any activity, then you need to go to this page. Write down the steps, Rajeshwari and Bhishma. This is a useful feature, and sometimes others may also ask you, why can't I see? Many times faculty members ask this question. I can't see.
After completion tracking,
you need to
enable this one.
Yeah. Okay.
But madam is already by default enabling course. That's why
at the
all
site
the courses
level.
will be site level.
Okay.
All the courses will show. You can create the Nomio site. This is not coming. Once you are yes, then show all the courses.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay then.
Share the assignment.
So what are the general criteria, activity completion criteria for an assignment? Any idea? Don't pull it down.
Student should first complete it. Not-
We generally, if you enable that activity completion, we get 3 or 4 criteria.
Ma'am, one is a time schedule.
Pick the last one. Pick the last one. No, not time schedule. Pick the last one. Okay. Here are the criteria.
Yeah, student must view this activity and student receive a grade to complete the activity.
If you are enabling this for any resource and all, you get only the first option. Show student must view this resource to complete it. Because the student can do nothing with that resource. No, he can only read or view or something. So, and the additional features we have is if you have set the required passing grade, then you can check that also. Say for example, for 10 out of 10 marks, what is the grading mark for this active assignment, Naresh? Show us. Can you scroll up and show us?
No, madam.
By
default is 10.
No, no, 0 is there. Make it 10.
Yes.
And do you have any passing grade? This is a quiz. You are working on a quiz.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So where is the passing grade? So you need to specify the time. Passing grade. Scroll down. Somewhere you get this passing grade. Where is the passing grade? You didn't set the passing grade.
I am not setting, madam.
You have already attempted this quiz as a student?
No, madam. No.
Ma'am, narration paiki look sir. Ikkada require passing.
Scroll down. Next block. Yes.
Require a passing grade.
No. Where is the passing grade? First, we need to enable that. No, for 10 marks, we want this 5 marks pool. Okay. Control F and passing grade, Naresh. Control
that
F
we do in our scaling this, no, ma'am. Categorized and uncategorized untadu kada. Akkada manamu.
No. Here we give that. Say for example, if it is check that box, require passing grade, Naresh. Check that box. Minimum number
one
of.
more is also there, ma'am. Require passing grade. Exact passing grade ani edo ochindi indaka.
No. We need to first specify what is the passing grade, kada?
That is what, ma'am. Indaka ochindi okati.
Ante scroll up.
Pass ani type cheyagane ochindi.
Control F and search, Naresh. Control F and passing grade.
Inకొకటి click చేయి. నాకు వచ్చినట్టు.
Where is the third one? Scroll up.
This is first.
Only 2. Where is the third one? Up, Naresh. Upward arrow is there. Then
No, it's highlighting only the second one only that require passing.
No. Here it says 1 on 3. No. So where is the third one?
No, title ఏదో exact అని వచ్చింది చూడు నరేష్. Exact ఏదో వచ్చింది. ఈతో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. అనిపించినట్టు గుర్తు. Extract. ఇగో పాస్వర్డ్. పాసింగ్ గ్రేడ్. లేదు.
Now where is the third one, Naresh?
Quiz ready చేసినప్పుడు అక్కడ పెట్టొచ్చు కదా మేడం.
Quiz ready చేసేటప్పుడు వస్తుందా passing grade?
అక్కడ పెట్టేసిన.
No, I don't think it should be here only. Okay, anyway, so that option is there. We'll explore this.
చేస్తున్నా మేడం.
మేడం అది క్విజ్ సెట్టింగ్స్ కి వెళ్ళి మనం గ్రేడ్ సెక్షన్ లోన మనం గ్రేడింగ్ గ్రేడ్ 2 పాస్ అనే ఫీల్డ్ లో మనం పెడతాం కదా మ్యామ్. గ్రేడ్ టోటల్ అనే 10, గ్రేడ్ 2 పాస్ 5 అనేసి అక్కడ వస్తుంది.
వేర్ ఇస్ దట్? అదే ఉండాలి కదా.
అది క్విజ్ సెట్టింగ్స్ కి వెళ్ళి మేడం.
క్విజ్ సెట్టింగ్స్ లోనే he's configuring the quiz only. Naresh is configuring the quiz only. Let me log into A4 page as a dummy teacher, and I'll tell you.
మ్యాక్సిమం గ్రేడ్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసిన మేడం 10
దిస్ ఇస్ ఇది ఇక్కడ ఇస్తాము. నేను చెప్పేది మనకి
కోర్స్ లో
కోర్స్ లో రావాలి కదా. It's there.
Where it is,
You have already set that grade to pass. Scroll up, Naresh. Scroll up to the grade. Okay. Yeah, that is grade to pass. Okay.
ఆల్రెడీ ఇందాకనే 10 అని చేసేసిన.
Actually maximum grade and okay, grade to pass you said. That is the reason it's not giving you an error. Okay, we are done with. Now you can save it. You have already saved and display. You have already added questions to this, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
2 questions is there.
Okay, show us. Click on save and preview the quiz. Show us the questions also. So, yeah, save it.
This is not enabling, madam.
No, that is required. That is required. If I want to award a badge or certificate, required passing grade is required. So that is, if the quiz is for how many marks? How many questions you have?
2 questions, 10 marks.
2 MCQs, huh?
Yes, madam. MCQs and fill in the blanks. 1 MCQ, 1 fill in the blank.
Then how can you give required and
It is
okay.
there, madam.
Okay, you do one thing. You change
Yes.
this to first question to 10 and the second question also to 10. Then we can make it as 50% passing grade. Yes, enter, hit enter. The second one also. Okay. Now maximum grade, change this to 20 and save. Okay, so we are ready with a badge. We are ready with, and similarly go to the course page and edit that assignment and add the criteria, completion criteria. For the assignment.
This is second one, madam.
Okay. No. This one only. Edit it. It's loading. Okay. Scroll down to the activity completion block. Yeah. It's already
Already there. So
taken.
activity as a
Okay.
when conditions are met.
Okay, done. So the teacher is ready with a badge and ready with 2 assessments, that is assignment and quiz, and wants to, but actually the badge we have created is team player. So ideally it should be okay. Just to show us the badge, we'll use this completion badge only. Okay, completion spelling error. Add a new badge. Now give that team player. I think you didn't save
Already
that.
done, madam. Manage badges.
Where is
next.
that? It's not there. You didn't save that, huh? Okay. So that is ready. So the next step is
Manage badges.
no. You need to add the team criteria for this now, for awarding badges. Go to the badges, manage badges page, and click on that. Edit that badge. You didn't edit. See, it says criteria for this badge have not been added. Edit that. Okay. Next is after edit details tab, you have the criteria. Click on the criteria. Okay, choose activity completion. So we want to automate this. There you also have competencies, Bhishma. Can you pull it down once again, Naresh? Go back to the previous page, Naresh. So Bhishma, you also have the competencies here. Can you see the last option?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is this can be used for competency based learning or micro credentials. Okay.
Yes, yes.
I'm
So you
clicking
need-
on the
you-
activity
You
completion.
need to create badges and also create criteria. You should take the competencies as the criteria. Okay. Activity completion. And which activities?
Second one, choose the following.
You can pick two. You can pick multiple. Actually, this is okay.
I'm setting
And
date
if you
also.
want to enable the date within a specific period, then you can also enable this. Expand all, Naresh. All of the
select
selected.
activities are completed.
All of the selected.
Ma'am, in this case, we have only given the criteria. I mean, the 20 marks quiz only for quiz settings. We have set the criteria for the batch.
No,
That if-
activity also Naresh already
Activity
showed us,
also.
already enabled.
Okay.
Has
Okay.
already enabled criteria, completion criteria. Otherwise, it will not be shown on this page, no?
Okay.
It's showing means it's already there. Wait. Naresh, go back. Don't do this in a hurry. Okay. Coming to this endorsement, click on endorsement, Naresh, endorsement tab. So this is useful for our micro credentials. So three of you, please make a note of this. Whenever we are offering any micro credentials, endorsement by any external agency or any other MNC. Say, for example, MNC Kolkata, Ajay Patak sir said now they have signed up an MOU with SBI or something. So
Okay,
who is the endorsing institution or organization? In that scenario, this is useful. Okay.
Okay, madam.
So you make a note of this, three of you. Later, you don't tell me. So we didn't learn all these and all. Okay. You make a
Okay.
note of it. Okay. Now, as of now, we are not adding, but for micro credentials, we can add our certifications also. Campuses are offering certifications. So you should be well versed of all these features of this batch creation, adding endorsement, and also awarding badges in an automated. Okay.
Okay.
Then. So once you are ready with this, what is the next step, Naresh?
Enable access.
So in order to, can you select the text? This badge is currently not available to users because we didn't enable the access. Click on the question mark. So as I told you many times, this is how I have been learning about Moodle, whether it's a new functionality or old functionality and all. If you scroll down, it may take you to the documentation page, sometimes more.
There is no more, is there? Already checking.
It's not there. Okay.
Only available, not available. How to
Okay, but anyway, so for this documentation is available on Moodle. Documentation. Okay. Get that links and add that to the Google Sheet. Okay, click on enable access so that continue.
This endorsement thing, we can put it as an FAQ, I guess.
Yeah. No, that is for micro credentials FAQs. You are creating that, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
For that, you need to create this one. For this, all these blended learning or online learning, we don't need any endorsement. Only for certification courses and micro credentials, you need to create an FAQ on this endorsement. Okay.
Click on continue next. This badge is now available. Already I am student, login is there, madam.
Can you go back to the teacher screen, Naresh?
Yes, madam.
Okay, scroll down. So claim URL endorsement comment. Okay then. Yeah.
Here is the already a student. Already I am logged in student 99. Student 100 is also there, madam. Participants.
So you have already attempted what?
Assignment, not quiz, madam. Student 100 is there. I am not attempted any quiz, any attempted. Bhishma Rajeshwari, who want taking student 100 and log in and check it.
No. As a student, the student 99, now you attempt the quiz so that yes, the badge will be awarded.
No, parallel I tell you, student 100 is not attempting. Bhishma Rajeshwari can do it.
That is to have a student experience. That is what Naresh is suggesting you. If you attempt, then you get the badges. You can also add one more student so that both of them can try this out, Naresh. Right? What is this question?
I think question is I am not set.
Go to the teacher interface and edit that. Click on that. No, as a teacher, you can edit that, no? Edit that.
Teacher
thing.
is here.
No. Add the question text here in the box. This Moodle is similar to that of a book. What is this question type?
Normally పెట్టేస్తున్నాను.
Preview this question. Scroll down and preview. No. Earlier one, it's saying earlier one was correct. Can you scroll up? Cross this answer. It didn't take the changes. Undo, Control Z.
Control Z is not working.
This one only. Copy this. Moodle is similar to that of a what is the question type? This is gap.
Fill in the blanks, madam. Fill in the blanks.
Click on the gap settings button down. Edit question text. Clicking this toggle setting enter for gap settings such as feedback or correct in correct. Click on the delimited word. No, but the student cannot answer this question, no?
Yes, madam.
Then you delete this question, create another question. Student can answer. Here is the question is not visible to this. Okay, submit all and finish. Something was wrong with this. Okay.
Nothing, ma'am. The dash is similar to that of a book, I think, ma'am.
No, the question is not. Question itself is not visible to the student. No.
Visible to
only that blank box is visible to the student. Okay. Now the student got this.
Yes, madam.
No.
I know question. I know answer, madam. That's
no. Where is the batch? From here and from this, can you click on that notification? From there also student will get to know. An email will be sent to the student, and from here also, yeah, you just earned a badge. Click on that. From there, student can click on the link and congratulate. Click on this team player. Click team player link. Right side, Naresh. Team player hyperlink is there. Yep. So it will take student to the batch. So what's the next step is? Student needs to, do you have a Badger account, Naresh?
no, madam.
Go to the profile.
Go
to the profile. Go to the profile. No, student profile. Go to the profile. Okay. Connect to the back. Scroll down. So student can upload this to Badger, no?
Yes,
scroll up, connect to the, go to the preferences, not profile, go to the preferences from the user menu. No, from the user menu, not here. Yeah. Click on preferences. Okay, where is batch preference? Where is the batch? Where is the batch here? Yeah. Backpack settings. So student should upload this to his or her Badger account. Not connected. Okay, you need to go to Badger, Naresh. On another tab, go to Badger, BADGR. Do you have an account on this, Naresh?
No, madam. This is dummy student account, madam. Student 99.
Then you need to sign up for free. Sign up for free. The only option is United States.
United States.
Save and continue. Pick any Google or something.
But I am selecting Google. This is selecting for student 99. That is
No. Here you can give your personal Gmail account. On Badger, that is different. Badger is different. A QuickPost is different. No? Use another account. You don't give official. You don't have a personal mail ID, Naresh. Use your personal mail ID. So got the workflow, Naresh and Bhishma. First, we have created a batch, and on the course page, we are ready with some activities or assessments, and we have enabled activity completion criteria. And then on the manage badges page, we have created a batch and uploaded the image that we have created. Okay, they changed student. No, you change the mail ID and connect to the badge on the student page, Naresh.
Okay.
Student page. Now go to the preferences page from the user menu. Scroll down to the backpack settings. Connect to the backpack. Email address again. It's no. Change the email address here. You didn't save your profile or what? Okay. You need to add the password there. Next field. So create the PPT with the same workflow. I think FAQ, this connecting to the backpack FAQ is not there on our site, Naresh. Okay.
Yes, madam.
You need to create that. So what's the problem?
Already, I think my mail ID is there, madam. Backpack setting. Previous I am using.
No, it says no badges. No, you haven't earned any badges. Can you pull down that badger?
Just the amount of mail IDs.
Then you need to confirm this from your Gmail, Naresh. You can confirm on your mobile phone. No need to log in here, Naresh. You can it's already there. Huh? It's not your personal. On your mobile, you can confirm that.
1 second.
Click on the link and confirm that. Everyone must be thorough with all these workflows. That is the motive or objective of all these training programs. Once you are well versed, others may not be knowing ABC of the same functionality. Okay. So once you know, you should also try out the same workflow. And if you have any doubts, go to the resource person you have in our office, and 3 of you. So don't think with this, the presenter job ends. Ganna, Naresh, what happened? You didn't get an email?
No, email is what I am updating.
Okay, now go to the preferences. Can you pull down that back provider? Okay, only one only. I didn't.
Only one is there.
I didn't add the second one. Okay, now give the password and connect it to the backpack. Let's see what will happen. Can you sign out of if you're already signed onto another Gmail on the same browser?
No, madam. Here is only student. QuickBooks or Batch here. This is another browser.
It's on
This is
another
Mozilla I am
browser.
using, madam. Yes, madam.
Then what's the problem? Rajeshri or Bhishma, you try it out, create an account on Badger and try it out and let me know whether you are able to connect to the Badger or not.
You can change your mail ID into student 100, madam.
Yeah,
This course is 2 participants is there.
yeah, as a dummy student, but they should get, no, we'll do one thing, Naresh.
Yes, madam.
What we'll do is both of you add one more student here. Who is taking student 100? Add one more student here. Enroll users, add one more student and change the password. And we expect both of you try it out in the next 1 hour. Now it's, I think, almost tomorrow first hour, and complete these 2 activities. And also again the same workflow, how to upload this to Badger. Tomorrow first hour, both of you try it out, and Naresh, you also try it out and how to fix this issue. Okay.
Okay, madam.
That is important. And in who is taking student 100? Bhishma or Rajeshri? Who is taking?
I'm creating student 77 is also there.
We have 2 students, student 100 and student 77. Who is using who? Which? Rajeshri and Bhishma.
Anyone is okay.
No. You should take one.
Okay. 77.
Okay. So Rajeshri has taken student 77. Bhishma, tomorrow
Student
first hour. Okay. You reset the passwords, Naresh.
Student 100 is already done, madam. Student 77 is not done. Transfer also can do.
Okay. So you know how to change the password. The student 77 and 100.
Yes.
And tomorrow first hour and share whether you could upload this to Badger and create an Badger account. And,
Okay.
And from there you can also link it up to your LinkedIn profile. So that is important.
My Badger account has been created. Then next I'll tomorrow in the first hour I'll try to prepare some badges and put it in it. And from there we can try to link up in the QuickBooks.
No. What I asked you to do is take the student 100 account, attempt these 2.
Okay.
Once you get this, once you obtain this batch, and how to upload, explore how to upload, connect these 2 from the preferences page to your backpack.
Okay.
And tell me whether you're able to upload this to Badger.
Okay.
So any questions on this, on today's session?
No, ma'am.
Rajeshwari, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So the same workflow, you also tomorrow first try it out with the dummy student. Okay. And on the same course, you can batch. What is the course title, Naresh? Batch creation.
Yes, madam. Batch creation.
Change that to avoiding badges. We are not only creating badges, no, avoiding badges. Okay.
Okay.
Change the course title, and 3 of you try it out, and tomorrow by 11:30 you let me know whether you're able to upload this to Badger or not. Okay. And explore on your own how to connect, but don't upload this to LinkedIn, but just explore how to connect this to upload this to your LinkedIn profile. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then. So Friday.
Batches.
Yeah, Friday you'll be presenting on micro credentials, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
so in that, what you can do is you can also create a badge and map this with one of the competencies.
Okay.
Okay then. Okay. Bye.
Okay.